The text snippet message is a small, embedded banner that appears directly on your storefront, like on your product page or checkout pages. It's a subtle way to keep customers aware of your rewards program while they shop. Now, let's walk through how to set it up in goLoyalty. Like and subscribe to keep up with what's new at Epic Shops. From your rewards page, go to the Messages section. Then click on the Text Snippet Message tab. Under Settings, turn on Show Rewards Text Snippet to enable it. This creates a small message box that you can display on your product or checkout pages. You can also click View Example for a quick visual reference. Next, choose where the text snippet will appear, on the product page, checkout page, or both. If you want more control over where the snippet shows, switch on Custom Product Page Placement. This allows you to specify a CSS div class so you can place the snippet exactly where you want it, above or below that section. Since this requires CSS knowledge, only use it if you're comfortable with custom code. Below that is Custom CSS, where you can add styling beyond the default design. This step is optional and meant for advanced users who want finer control over how their snippet looks. Now, let's set up the content of your text snippet. Start with the message to customers who are not logged in. Here, you can edit what visitors see before they sign in or join your rewards program. Use this space to invite them to log in or create an account so they can start earning rewards. Click View Structure to see how the snippet layout works. It includes 4 sections: Title, Body, Rewards Text, and FAQ text. Each with its own toggle, so you can show or hide parts as needed. Inside the editor, you can style your text and use merge tags to personalize the message. For example, you can show how many points a customer could earn from a product. Next, switch to the Message to Customers Who Are Logged In tab. This version is simpler, with just title and body sections. You can use toggles to control visibility and customize the message to keep your members informed, like showing their available points or upcoming rewards. Once you're happy with your setup, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it for the text snippet message. A quick, subtle way to keep your rewards program visible throughout your storefront. Whenever you need help or want to explore more advanced options, just click Get Help at the top right. Epic's always here to assist you.